The 1959 All-Big Eight Conference football team consists of American football players chosen by various organizations for All-Big Eight Conference teams for the 1959 college football season. The selectors for the 1959 season included the Associated Press, AP, and the United Press International, UPI. Players selected as first-team players by both the AP and UPI are designated in bold. All Big Eight selections. Backs: Gail Wiedner, Colorado, AP 1, UPI 1 quarterback. Dwight Nichols, Iowa State, AP 1, UPI 1 tailback. Prentice Scott, Oklahoma, AP 1, UPI 1 fullback. Bobby Boyd, Oklahoma, AP 1. Curtis McClinton, Kansas, UPI 1 halfback. Ends: John Peppercorn, Kansas, AP 1, UPI 1. Russell Sloan, Missouri, AP 1, UPI 1. Tackles: Mike Magak, Missouri, AP 1, UPI 1. John Stolt, Kansas State, UPI 1. Guards: Jerry Thompson, Oklahoma, AP 1 tackle, UPI 1. Don Olson, Nebraska, AP 1, UPI 1. Joe Romet, Colorado, AP 1, College Football Hall of Fame. Centers: Fred Hageman, Kansas, AP 1, UPI 1. Key: AP equals Associated Press, UP equals United Press International. See also 1959 College Football All-America Team. References: